Welcome. This video is brought to you by MyShoeCovers reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. Everywhere you look, people are talking about how AI is taking jobs. It's writing emails, diagnosing cars, even handling customer service calls. But here's the question everyone's wondering. Will AI replace plumbers? The short answer is no, but the full story is worth understanding. Artificial intelligence is changing how every industry works, including the trades. AI can already do some pretty impressive things for the plumbing world. It can analyze data from smart leak detectors, help dispatch jobs more efficiently, predict maintenance issues before they happen, and even assist with design and estimating. These tools can help plumbers work smarter and faster, but here's the thing, AI still can't crawl under a sink, cut copper, or solder a joint. Plumbing is hands-on work. It requires critical thinking, creativity, and real-world problem-solving that no machine can replicate. Every home, every system, and every customer is different, and that kind of judgment only comes with experience in the field. So no, AI isn't replacing plumbers anytime soon, but plumbers who learn how to use AI tools will have a huge advantage over those who ignore them. AI can already help you write accurate estimates in minutes, optimize your scheduling and routing, create marketing content for your business, and even answer basic customer questions automatically after hours. It's not about replacing your work, it's about removing the boring stuff that slows you down so you can focus on what really matters, serving customers, and growing your business. The real risk isn't AI taking plumbing jobs, it's plumbers who refuse to adapt getting left behind. The next generation of top contractors will be the ones who combine hands-on skills with digital tools to run smarter, more efficient companies. So will AI replace plumbers? No, but it will replace plumbers who don't evolve. The future belongs to those who stay curious, keep learning, and use every tool available, both in the toolbox and on the tablet. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment on how you think AI will change the plumbing trade, and subscribe for more insights from the MyShoeCovers team. Thanks for watching and keep building the future, one pipe at a time.